Hey, my people, what go on? You don't know it's the voice of the Gryzzly Bear. You don't know it's another one, Reggae Vibes Media bring that one to you. So watch you know. Big up Jamaica for having 5 artists in the top 1,000 most streamed artists Spotify list. Considering dancehall and reggae is a small genre, compared to hip-hop, country and western, and pop, this is a major accomplishment. You agree? You agree with me? Let me know if you agree, man. This is a very major accomplishment. Zin, the thing start right as so you don't know Bob Marley, Sean Paul and Shaggy is definitely on the list. Yeah, can you guess the next two? Come, you have write down in a comment there, so. Can you guess the next two artists? Is it Beanie Man? Or Toots and the Metals? Or Cartel, Shensia, Skillbang? Or some other artists? You can remember Bob Marley a top shooter and you don't know Sean Paul and Shaggy and them man, them is a bombastic a go on. Bombastic down the thing. Zin, so watch you know. So first on the list is Bob Marley and the Wailers at number 131 spot with 7 billion streams. Just to give you an example of how Bob Marley match up with Drake. Zin, because you don't know Drake is a man where, yeah. So Drake has 53 billion streams at the number 1 spot. And Cardi B has 9 billion streams at
Reggae Vibes Media
81 spot. Yes, Migos have 8 billion streams. Zin, so Bob Marley are going to whop right there, so big up to reggae music. You see it? Yeah, man. Come now, man, big up to reggae music. You don't know dancehall have the standings to you, man. So between Shaggy and Sean Paul, guess who has more streams? Yes, Double Jeopardy. Ting, 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 ting. Alright, see it now. Sean Paul is in second. Second highest ranked in Jamaica at the number 229 spot with 5 billion streams. Come now, man. Yeah, man, let me hear the applause now, man. Yeah, man, sound some trumpet and roll some drum and some something. See it there? Yeah, right there, so. Go on, man. Sean Paul. Yes, and Shaggy is right there. Yeah, not too far. Right there in third at number 634 with 2.2 billion streams. Come on, man, people. Yeah, man, that one look good. Sean Paul and Shaggy. Yeah. It look good. From Jamaica, Sean Paul is second spot right there, so. You see me, I say? Yes, and right there in third, Shaggy. You see me? So, can you, yes, my subscribers, Zin, the people them always a comment. You see me? Can you guess who are the next 2 Jamaicans that made this list? Yes. Come now, man. Who you think? You think it's Cartel? Tell me if you think it's Shabba. Come on, man. Come now, man. It could be the Eptones, them. Guess who is coming to dinner? Black Arrow. Come now, man. Me not telling you no more name. Because whole heap of artists. Whole heap of artists there in the business. Beanie Man, we have the whole heap of work. And I put in the work in the entertainment thing. So, remember, this is the top 1,000. Zin, the most streaming, man. Zin, so we have 5 artists in the thing. And you don't know Shaggy, Bob Marley, Sean Paul. You see me I say? So who you think are the next few artists? So, moving on, watch out now. See, who are me? Ooh, I think that I found myself a cheerleader. She is always right there when I need her. Yeah, when that song I drop, I swear it have me rocking. Beer dance and beer some, cause me's a skank and I love skank. Yeah, beer vibes, beer fun, beer thing. So watch out now. Omi standing at number 743 position with 2 billion streams. Come on, man. Yeah, big up yourself, you. To go on with himself. Yeah, and that song they did a go on. So we are talking about of all times, you know. We are talking about this year, last year. We are talking about since Spotify start count. Since them set up that clock something they run at one place and say, we are going to analyze every artist on these social media platforms and see how many people have streamed these artists' music. You know what I mean? How familiar these artists' music are in the world. So remember, you know, the 1,000, yes? Yeah, the top 1,000 most streamed artists. Yes. So, who am I there right there, so? I go on all our vibes, you see me and say? So, Sean Kingston is next at number 774 with 1.9 billion streams. Yes, 1.9 billion streams. Yeah, who am I a Jamaican? Come on again, man. Who am I a Jamaican? Come, tell me down there, so come I know if you don't really know the people, let me know. Tell me. Because a lot of people can say, yeah, Sean Kingston, a Jamaican. You see me and say, I'm related to, you know, couple people around now and part around so. Yes, man. So, who me, I will, you know, number 743 position with 2 billion streams is in. Sean Kingston is in next with number 774 with 1.9 billion streams. So, I was tempted. When I say tempted, you know, people, when time I look on the analysis and I read and I check through, I get so, you know, yeah, that man, yeah, the messenger man. I was so tempted. So tempted. Who is that at my door? No disturbance. I was tempted to add lotion. It's me again, Jah. As a power man need today. Who is at number 504 spot. But it's actually a German hip-hop artist.
Disappointed!
You hear them, some of the people? Yes, but it's a German, you know, hip-hop artist over that side there. Also, Rasclat Flats. Yes, Rasclat Flats. But it turned out to be Rascal Flats, who is an American country music band. People. Come on, man, what are the next two? Come on, man. So, all of them temptation there and all them something there. You know? But honorable mentions goes out to Ed Sheeran at the number 3rd spot with 40 billion streams. And Drake and Pop, you know what I say? Yes. Rihanna at number 21 with 22 billion streams. And Nicki Minaj at number 39 spot. Yes, my people. So, yeah, that's something nice. I like it. I love it. Big up again for having 5 artists in the top 1,000 most streamed artists Spotify list. Considering dancehall and reggae, you know, my people, it's a small genre compared to the big world and compared to the hip-hop scene and the country and western scene and the pop scene and, you know what I mean? Zin, yes, this is a major accomplishment. Yeah, so big up to the man them who hold the standings, Bob Marley, Sean Paul, Shaggy. Yeah, I mean, and they're off. So you don't know you hear it right to say, you know, Reggae Vibes Media. You don't know it's your boy Gryzzly Bear, Beer Vibes, Beer Fun, Beer Things, Most Speak, Beer Fox, Leaf It, Beer Chucks. Yeah, like, share, and comment. Because we want to keep the social, we want to looking at our comment box and we can read and relate back with the people and where, you know, love the whole vibration. And you people make us who we are, you know, so big up to you, see me and say, because you keep the thing going. Yeah. Only go with the zeal and the drive to find these contents and share with the item, you see me? And make you have it. Yeah, man, because the more you watch, the more you subscribe, the more you like. And when time me look and see all these things, me I say, alright then, me need to provide more content for my people, because the community there. Yeah, man, the community there. So go and big up yourself, you know. Yeah, and the people them run at the scenes. Yeah, where do them clip up some of there and them video some of there and them some of there for Reggae Vibes Media. I mean, big up. Yeah. You don't know. Bear Vibes.
Are you planning on releasing a dancehall or reggae track, but frustrated it won't get the attention it deserves? Worry no more. Visit submittune.com and get effective and affordable promotion. We have a list of mixtape DJs, YouTubers, radio, and media personnel, bloggers, Spotify playlisters, graphic designers, and also mixing and mastering services. All you have to do is sign up at submittune.com and begin the journey of getting your music heard. With the help of submittune.com, artists are taking back their power and promoting their music directly to people who can make their dreams of success a reality. Build genuine connections as your music will be heard by fans in the genre. Sign up with submittune.com today and get your music heard.